It's Jess. Welcome back to my channel for another new video. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I have this cute, quick, protective style. I love doing this style. It's pretty similar to the one that I did before, but I have gotten a lot of requests for like styles that I use during the week that are protective styles and everything like that. So I decided to break them up and not just bombard you with one huge long video of my protective styles. But if you guys like hairstyle videos, definitely let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribing to my channel down below if you're not already to join the fam. And make sure to hit that notification bell because it notifies you every time I upload, because sometimes YouTube doesn't send my videos to your subscription boxes and things like that. So if you have on the bell, you're automatically notified every time I upload. So that's amazing. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. I did have a migraine earlier this morning, so if I am a little bit low energy, kind of cool in the voiceover and the rest of this video, I apologize for that, but I did still want to get a video up for you guys today. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. School is almost over. I cannot wait. It's almost summer, but I'm taking summer classes, so it doesn't really count. But, you know, whatever. It's cool. We're living. Barely. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. If you guys want to see how I achieved this hairstyle right here, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so getting started, I'm going ahead and showing you guys that I already did the other side. Going ahead, I'm starting with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Spray. I love this spray. My hair loves this spray. It's an amazing leave-in conditioner for your hair. I like it because it doesn't leave a weird residue on my hair or anything like that, and I love to put this in before I do a protective style. So moving on, I'm going ahead and detangling my hair. I had just had my hair up in a different protective style, and I'm actually going to wash my hair tomorrow, so I just wanted to have something that I could wear for today so that it was cute and out of my face, because it was really hot here in New York. I don't know about you guys, but we had like this weird heat wave or something for like 2 days. So moving on, I'm going ahead and splitting this half into 2 sections, but first we have a little surprise because I had a bobby pin stuck in my hair from my other style. So that's what my comb was getting stuck on this entire time. So I like to start out my parts with my wide tooth comb. I just find it to be easier for me. And then I go in with my rat tail comb to create the parts, being really gentle of my new growth because I am a lot of weeks post. I think my last perm was in January, so we're pretty far out there now, guys. So I'm just being really gentle, making sure to work with my hair and not against it. And then I'm just making sure that everything is nice and even, and then I'm going ahead and pinning this side of my hair up. Now it's up to you guys whatever side you want to start on. Some people start like with the section closer to the middle part. Some people start on the outer section. It honestly just depends on my mood. I do both, so it's totally up to you. But now I'm going ahead in with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I love this. This just really, whenever I take this style out, it just makes my hair super moisturized. I know I did just use the spray conditioner, but I love this cream one as well. It just really locks in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner, and then I just seal that in with some of my Shea Moisture, I believe this is the coconut oil spray, and I just spray that into my hand and just apply that all over the section. I'm sorry, and then I just go ahead and start the twist. Now if you can cornrow, guys, you can flat twist. It's just using 2 sections. So I'm just going ahead and finger detangling my hair before I do anything, just to make sure that I got all of the tangles and everything. So I like to part my hair to start off the section. I just find it makes doing the flat twist easier. I do this when I cornrow as well, so I either use a comb or my finger, but I just find it makes it really easy. So I am just flat twisting here. I just take 2 sections and twist, and as I twist, I add a piece of hair to each section. That's pretty much the whole premise. I always remember like twist and then drop and grab, if that helps you guys. So you're twisting, you're dropping that piece of hair and grabbing some more. You're twisting, dropping that piece of hair and grabbing some more. So that's pretty much the whole idea behind flat twisting. I know that it looks a little bit more complicated than it actually is, but like I said, if you can braid, if you can cornrow, you can flat twist. It's not that difficult. If you guys want to see a video on how I do my twist outs, I haven't mastered it yet, so that might be a little trial and error video for you guys, but let me know if you guys want to watch that. And then I just twist the whole thing all the way down, and I tie that off with an elastic until I'm done with the next section. So moving on to the next section, I'm just going ahead and spraying down those parts again, just so that they're moisturized and there's nothing there's no dryness or anything. And then I'm going ahead once again and detangling the section as well, like I did with the first one, because it was wrapped up, so I just want to make sure that there is no knots or tangles. So I'm moisturizing again with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Cream leave-in conditioner because I love it, my hair loves it, and I usually keep this style in for a few days until I co-wash, so I really want my hair to be nice and moisturized, and I make sure to get those ends, girlfriend. And then I go ahead once again in with the coconut oil spray. I actually sprayed it into my hand and it like flung everywhere. It was so funny. That's why I made that face, guys. But I'm just applying that from pretty much, I don't apply this in my roots because it can get really oily sometimes, and because my roots are showing with this style, I don't apply them super heavily there, but when I moisturize and seal, I do. So as you guys can see here, I just went ahead and parted my hair again like I showed you guys before. And I'm just starting off this one the same way, splitting my hair into two, twisting, dropping, and grabbing some hair. With twist, I don't like to start the twist. You know how with cornrows sometimes you braid a few times before you start adding hair. I don't do that with twist. I start adding hair as soon as I start to twist because I just think it makes the whole twist look a lot better. I had a little bit of trouble with this twist. This one always is my like wonkiest twist. Honestly, it looks a little crazy every single time I do it, but it does get better as you practice. Hair takes practice, makeup takes practice, and that is pretty much goes along with everything. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a side view. I do turn around more. My chair was just not letting me being able to turn all the way, but I am just twisting, dropping, and adding more hair as I told you guys. So it's really easy. This is a really great style for the summertime because it gets your hair out of your face and it makes a really nice twist when you take it out. It makes your hair look a little curly and you can wear that out. So it's a really versatile style and I absolutely love it. So see, as you guys can see here, I was having a little bit of trouble, but here's a behind the view of me doing it. As you guys can see, I didn't have a mirror or anything in front of me, so it was a little bit difficult. I'm sorry for my phone ringing in the background, but I'm just twisting, dropping, and adding some hair as I said. And then just like before, once I am done with the twist, I just twist it all the way down. And then you guys can add more hair if you want. It will make your buns a little bigger than mine. But I just go ahead and twist it up both sections and then twist it into a bun. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will talk to you guys in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Bye.